this is going to be there.
Ratan
And
Sharda,
all nationalists, I'm saying, not Chinese and Italian, all nationalists, irrespective of their religion, will love their motherland and will pray their motherland.
Ratan Sharda, Vivek Srivastava is making an appeal on national television that people associated with the RSS must immediately quit and join, according to him, the secular forces.
Secular forces are always already on the decline. Maybe they want RSS join to strengthen them, because RSS only has the kind of ideology which can strengthen the nation and also strengthen the organizations. RSS chief ministers in Congress, Mr. Kamath in Goa, Shankar Singh Waghela in Gujarat, who was also president of Congress for a long time, Telangana chief minister. So they have a problem with media talking about it. But they are scared, they have no self-confidence that when media talks about the prayer by DK Shiv Kumar, they immediately throw him to the wolves. And my bigger problem is that you can recite Kalma very happily anywhere in the world, on any stage in India, you'll be considered secular. But if you sing Bharat Mata's prayer, you worship her, then you have a problem, you are a communal. This is the biggest problem that we have today, that Kalma is secular, which talks about supremacy of particular religion, and Bharat Mata ki jai, which doesn't have anybody but seeks to strengthen and serve Bharat Mata. They have problem with that. He talked of Atalji. Atalji not only talked of Aman ki Asha if he did, he also the same person who defeated the Pakistanis decidedly in Kargil. And Mr. Jain, please learn some lessons. Nikhil Jain, this for you, please put your head up. You said RSS allied with British. I challenge you on the program. I challenge your leader in Karnataka also. I challenge another person. I'm challenging you. Give me one shred of evidence that RSS cooperated with British. I will give it 10 where RSS was persecuted because it was part of it was against British. So don't come and make those wide, unnecessary statements. You are a lawyer. Understand, if you go under defamation, you'll have to prove evidence. I am giving you a chance to give evidence now or apologize. And as far as Congress is concerned, the leaders, what happened to PV Narasimha Rao? ये सब मत दिखाओ, गूगल मत दिखाओ. Give me solid primary evidence that RSS, you will quote each other. I am saying give me primary evidence RSS stood with British or apologized to British or worked with British. Otherwise keep quiet and leave the debate. Now they talk of what happened to PV Narasimha Rao, what happened to Sitaram Kesari, what is happening to these giants like Deepinder Hooda, Sandeep Dixit, Sachin Pilot, Manish Tiwari. Where are they? They are in the doghouse. Why? Because they refuse to follow the JNU crowd. They have their independent voice. They are traditional congressmen who do not like this blind opposition to Modi or to RSS.
They swayed from the path of Parivar Bhakti. Now, Nikhil, you can take some time and frame your response. I'll come to you and Vivek Srivastava ji both. But Dr. Ranganathan hasn't spoken. Dr. Ranganathan, what do you make of what you've heard so far?
Pehle to good evening and congratulations on you, Pranesh, being anointed as Amitabh Bachchan by the Kader Khan of debates, Vivek Srivastava. Look, as far as Congress is concerned, it's almost written in their scriptures. If you remember one Rajya Sabha MP, he won the election, Mr. Nasir Hussain of Congress in Karnataka. And his band of supporters were shouting Pakistan Zindabad. He didn't stop it. And far from castigating him, and the police, by the way, confirmed that slogans of Pakistan Zindabad were sung, even though some arbit fact checker still refutes it. But what did the Congress do? The Congress promoted him. Recently, they did not want Shashi Tharoor to go and take India's stand and explain it to the world after Operation Sindoor, but they nominated this guy, Nasir Hussain, as one of the people. He was promoted. When his supporters were chanting Pakistan Zindabad, to yahan Ganga ulti beh rahi hai, please understand. Look, and the fact of the matter is, everyone thinks he is a fascist until the real fascist arrives. And the real fascist is the Congress. And I don't mean literally so. Because if you look at who was in the Mussolini's army, you would find the connection, blood connection very soon enough. From amending the constitution to trampling upon free speech to junking the constitution by proclaiming emergency, from overturning democratically elected state governments to overturning Supreme Court judgments. What has the Congress not done that isn't fascist? Tell me. and now extracting groveling apologies from its leaders for just singing the RSS anthem. The Congress is not just, please understand, Pranesh, an illogical but also a pathological hatred for the RSS. Because it fears the RSS. Anybody who loves the country is feared by the Congress. So much so that they attribute everything evil that has ever happened in the country to the RSS. No other opposition party, with perhaps the exception of the Muslim League, hates the RSS so much. And guess who is the coalition partner of the Muslim League? Look, Rahul Gandhi routinely claims that no one from the RSS took part in the freedom struggle. I guess he graduated from WhatsApp University. He doesn't know the legendary names like Dada Nayak Chimur, Ramdas Rampure, Sant Tukoji Maharaj, Hemu Kalani, who gladly went to the gallows for our freedom struggle. They were all RSS workers. From having to apologize for spreading the lie that RSS killed Mahatma Gandhi, to Congress leaders propagating the theory that 2611 was an RSS conspiracy, there is no opportunity the Congress has missed to slander the RSS. You remember it first banned the RSS in 1947, but Nikhil won't tell you who unbanned it. Because Sardar Patel said RSS was not involved in the Mahatma Gandhi assassination. This they will not say, because they are from the WhatsApp University. Look, the fact of the matter is, the instance of Justice Yashwant Chandrachud is important to tell you. The former Chief Justice of India and father of the recent Chief Justice recommended not once but twice the name of Justice Chandurkar of the Bombay and Madras High Court. But you know, Pradesh, it was rejected both times by the Congress. You know why? Because Chandurkar had made the fatal mistake of attending the funeral of the RSS chief Golwarkar. I quote Yashwant Chandurkar here, just 30 seconds. The government was looking for judicial candidates who would support it in general. It is preposterous what they did to Chandurkar, unquote. And how do we know this? Because of a book called Supreme Whispers written by Chandrachud. This is the history, pathetic history of the Congress.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
तो हम लोग बोले, अब आपने रैली जो करवा ली है, अगर खत्म हो गई हो तो हम लोग भी बोले, है ना? अब आप सुनते जाइए यहाँ पे, अब आप सुन लीजिए. Every time Dr. Ranganathan comes, he adds to the beauty of the debates. मैं तो कह रहा हूं, जो काम हेमा मालिनी का है वो काम ये बखूबी निभाते हैं यहाँ डिबेट्स में. इनके आने से खूबसूरती बढ़ जाती है. ये तो हो गई पहली बात. अब आप आगे आ जाइए. See, you have to understand, it is the Congress which made the contribution in the freedom struggle. गांधी जी खड़े थे. Many communist minded people and communists like Comrade Bhagat Singh, उन्होंने अपनी जान दी. आरएसएस का वो महत्वपूर्ण नहीं था, रोल था. आपको इस बात को मानना पड़ेगा. There is nothing wrong in it. A few people here and there which Dr. Ranganathan talks of, that is, I think, not done. That is the first part. Second part is that there are ideological differences. Yes, the Hindu Mahasabha also played a very wrong role in the partition of this country. You cannot blame it onto the on Jinnah straight away. There are photographs.
क्या बोल रहे हैं सर? आप क्या बोल क्या रहे हैं? विवेक श्रीवास्तव, देखिए आपने, सुन लीजिए, गुस्सा मत होइए, सुन लीजिए. विवेक श्रीवास्तव सर, 1 minute, listen to me. 8 minutes. Pawan, let Vivek Srivastava speak.
बोल रहा हूं
मैं 8 मिनट, मैं बस ये बोल रहा हूं, आपने बोला कि ये आपने रैली करवा ली.
हाँ.
आप प्रॉब्लम ये है कि रैली वो कर रहे थे डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, बट आप जैसे ही आपको मंच पे बुलाते हैं, आप बोलने लगते हैं, क्राउड डिस्पर्स हो जाता है, इसीलिए आपकी रैली नहीं चलती है. ये
डिस्पर्स हो जाते हैं
नहीं, क्योंकि सर आप देखिए, यू आर गिविंग अ क्लीन चिट टू जिन्ना. आप क्लीन चिट टू जिन्ना दे रहे हैं और निखिल जैन इज हैप्पी. निखिल जैन ये सोच रहे हैं, अभी तक स्पॉटलाइट मुझ पे था, आई वॉज ऑन टेस्ट. रतन शारदा जी आस्क्ड हिम अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, आपने पूरा स्पॉटलाइट शिफ्ट कर लिया. देखिए, लुक एट द नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन देयर हैंड्स, सबने हाथ उठा लिया है.
अब वो ठीक है, वो सबको हाथ उठाने दीजिए, लेकिन अगर संघ गलत है तो गलत है. हिंदू महासभा का रोल पार्टीशन में था, जाए लोग पढ़े. लैरी कॉलिंस, पेरी डोमिनिक की किताब.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप सारे किताब पढ़ लीजिए, लेकिन अगर रोल गलत था तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इतने 60 सालों में आरएसएस को बैन क्यों नहीं किया? आप बोल दीजिए ना. ओके, अभी तक नहीं किया. यू शुड से, यू शुड, नो 1 minute. Tell the Karnataka chief minister or the Telangana government to ban the RSS. Start with your own government in Kerala. Tell them through the show, you tell them to ban the RSS.
सर, अब आप 3 बार बैन किया, इन्होंने रिटर्न एश्योरेंस दिया था. वी आर अ कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हम आप पहले चिट्ठी पढ़िए जो गोलवलकर ने नेहरू को लिखी थी. आप चिट्ठी पढ़िए तो होम मिनिस्ट्री घोषणा उन्होंने लिखी थी, कैबिनेट उसमें बैठी थी, और उसके बाद क्यों इनको फंक्शन करने दिया गया? इन्होंने कहा हमारा राजनीति से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, हम एक सांस्कृतिक संगठन है, हम देश की संस्कृति में ही कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे।
तो
और
व्हाट
किसी
हैज
controversy
चेंज्ड?
में नहीं पड़ेंगे।
तो व्हाट हैज
लेकिन
चेंज्ड?
आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर से लेकर के उपराष्ट्रपति से लेकर के वाइस चांसलर से लेकर के हर जगह संघ के आदमी को आप बिठा रहे हैं।
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
बीजेपी आपका पॉलिटिकल विंग है,
पर क्या प्रॉब्लम है विवेक श्रीवास्तव?
क्योंकि आप सेकुलर नहीं है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी, ओके
और वो कंडीशन
ओके, लेट्स फॉर अ मोमेंट सर, अज्यूम आप जो बोल रहे हैं सब सही है। व्हाई इज द कांग्रेस एक्सेप्टिंग पीपल फ्रॉम द बीजेपी आरएसएस? आप लोग तो उनको बॉयकॉट कर दीजिए। रतन शारदा ने एग्जाम्पल दे दिया, मैंने बोल दिया रेवंत रेड्डी कहां से आए थे, मैं तो आपको अभी रीसेंट एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं, अभी हटा दीजिए उनको।